Welcome back to your wallet in the Advantage app. Now I'll be showing you how you can request coins from your friends and family and people who know you. So if we go here, we will see an option that says request, which when we click, we'll be greeted with this. So what happens here is we are requesting a specific amount. So whoever is sending us coins, they can only send us how much we asked for or nothing at all. So let's say I might ask for 5 coins like this. And then the generate request button will become yellow and I can generate my request. What happens from here is a code will pop up like this. Now my friends can either scan this code with the app, which I'll show you how to do next time, or I can take a screenshot, send this code to them, they can scan it on their computer or however, and then they can send me the coins like this. Continuing on, I can also send my wallet address. You can see here in the bottom there's various ways I can send it. When I send people my wallet address, it's just for them, so they can send me 1 coin one day, maybe they'll send me 10 one day. I don't pick anything, they just have access to my wallet and they can send if they want to and how much they want. So I can show them this code, which I can screenshot, send it to them, or they can scan it. Or another thing I can do is I can press this button here and I can share it on all my social medias, copy it to my clipboard, and then people who follow me, maybe I don't even know them, they can have access to my wallet too, so I can get even more coins in the app.